This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Oh, there's an accident back there. Oh, that's not good. Oh,
What were they trying to do? Oh my... Man. Horribly Blasco. Are you serious?
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Lemoyne Drive.
and I'm done.
I don't know.
Uh-huh.
I have no idea.
So if she smacked him one time, for example, and you smack her back, wouldn't that allow that you can be treated this way, just stop?
I don't think the guy should ever get to go.
Really? Not even to protect himself against it.
No, what did you do that?
He's a human being just as she is.
Truck on the back of the truck.
Oh, really? I've learned my lesson going. Sorry. You okay?
No, you're good.
You guys okay?
Yeah.
That's why I slowed down.
Idiot.
You guys okay?
Uh-huh. What'd you
Okay, Garmin, video.
What the f***? Seriously? Okay. Oh. What the f***, dude? Guys, stop texting me. I'm busy time right now. You okay? Yeah, I'm fine.
How would I say 298?
Maintain.
Whoa, whoa! Oh my god!
Did you see that idiot?
Holy sh**. Holy sh**.
I can't stop. We're gonna crash. Oh. Are the airbags gonna go off? Nope, everything's okay. We're just gonna pull over. You stay right here, okay?
Chromecast online at ksoj.com on your smart speaker with the Alexa skill. It is so convenient. And of course, on your radio at 94.1 FM. Your
You run around.
Oh, police are already coming.
Do not hang your shit.
You can cancel my call. There's 4 officers just arrived.
Already, I'll go ahead and let you know.
Thank you.
try and advantage Surface and other Windows 8 devices.
Yes.
A year later, we did ship it, actually right after Satya became CEO. That was one of the first things he did. So ultimately that decision didn't happen that much later than it would have otherwise. And kind of an open question of whether it was a mistake. Like, did Microsoft ever lose $1 for deciding to hold Office for iPad another year? Probably not.
Yeah.
Why?
What are you honking at me for, ditch?
What the hell are you doing, dude?
Dude, that's not how that works. I have the
That's how it
straight.
works, dude.
I have the straight. You were coming through here.
You have the yield, dude.
I don't have the yield.
do
Nobody
have the
in the
yield.
track. Everyone coming in has the yield. I promise you that.
Did you hit my shit?
No, I didn't hit. Did you hit my question,
I
man?
got a dash cam. We'll redo
I do
that.
too, motherfucker. Don't worry about
Instead
it.
of my shit. You better pull over.
What the fuck? Go. Can you at least pull down the parking lot so we can do it?
God damn, dude.
We didn't touch.
You're right, we didn't. Be careful, man. You realize if I hit you, I would have just crushed your entire car, right?
Okay, but like, I understand what you're saying.
I know,
Yeah,
but
you're right.
I understand, and we, like, I'm coming this way, and there's a yield, and
Right.
there's 2 yields, but you do realize this thing weighs like 10,000 pounds, right?
I mean, it really.
I understand, but you realize, like, you would have gotten up, dude.
Yeah,
Like,
but I don't understand how this is. Like, there's nothing that I should have or could have done differently there. I didn't.
Last time I checked, you don't come straight across the
No,
intersection
you were.
like that.
You were. It's a roundabout. I was inside the roundabout. All right. I'm trying to actually. You were in the left lane. You were in the right lane. Sorry, which only goes this way, and you cut through straight from that one. The only one that goes straight from there is the left lane.
All right.
I'm just glad none of us.
All right. I'm sorry.
Good.
Dude. I'm glad I didn't hit you.
Me too.
Holy
I don't want my shit f***ed up any more than you do.
Dude, I mean, this thing will crush somebody.
I
man.
know it. I know.
You don't have a kid in the car, do you? I would have take out your whole side.
No, man.
Sorry, man.
All right, you're good, man. Take it easy.